Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth class of HCF and LCM. My name is Ravi Prakash. So we are continuing this concept from the last video only. Okay, so question here is LCM of 12 raised to 10, 64 raised to 9 and n is given as 24 raised to 18. Okay, 24 raised to 18. Fine. So what is the question is how many values can n take? How many values can n take, right? Now see, again what we'll do, we know that LCM takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Fine. So we'll break this into prime basis. What is 12 raised to 10? So it is basically 2 square into 3 raised to 10. 2 square into 3 raised to 10. That is 2 raised to 20 into 3 raised to 10. Fine. What is 64 raised to 9? So 2 raised to 6 into 9. That is what? That is 2 raised to 54. What is 24 raised to 18? So 24 raised to 18 is nothing but 2 cube into 3. That is 24 raised to 18. So it becomes 2 raised to 54 into 3 raised to 18. Okay, good. So that means LCM of 12 raised to 10 is the first number that we can write in terms of prime basis only. So first number here is now 2 raised to 20 into 3 raised to 10. Okay. Second number is 2 raised to 54. Third number is n. And their LCM is given as 2 raised to 54 into 3 raised to 18. Okay. So again, LCM takes the highest power of the given prime basis. Okay. So see, what is the first number here? The first number here is 2 raised to 20 into 3 raised to 10. Right. So in this first and second number, you observe the power of 2. So if you observe the power of 2, you will see that 2 raised to 20 and 2 raised to 54 are the given powers of 2, right? And since LCM takes the highest power of the given prime basis, so here, what is the LCM? 2 raised to 54, which is already present in second number, right? That means in terms of 2, n can be anything from 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 square. It can be anything till 2 raised to 54. It won't affect the LCM, right? It won't affect the LCM. Fine. Now, in terms of 3, n has to be right because till now, highest power of 3 is 10. That is in the first number. Second number doesn't contain a power of 3. So since again LCM takes the highest power of the given prime base, so LCM will take the highest power of 3. So 3 raised to 18 should be the highest power. And we have to write 3 raised to 18 in only third number, right? Because second number has 3 raised to 10. Sorry, first number has 3 raised to 10. Second number has no power of 3. So third has to contain 3 raised to 18 so that the highest power of 3 becomes 18, which is there in the LCM, right? And in terms of 2 powers of 2 can take anything from 0 to 54. So how many numbers are possible? So there will be total 55, right? 2 raised to 0 to 2 raised to 54. That means total 55 numbers are possible. So I can take 55 values of n. So answer is what? 55. Why 55? Because if n is equal to 2 raised to 0, n in terms of 2 is 2 raised to 0, then every time 3 has to be 18, right? The power of 3 has to be 18. What is the first number? 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 18. What is the second number? 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 18. What is the third number? 2 square into 3 raised to 18. What is the fourth number? 2 cube into 3 raised to 18, right? Like this, what is the last number? 2 raised to 54 into 3 raised to 18, right? So, how many numbers are possible? Total 55 numbers because there are 55 possible values of powers of 2 available, right? Because powers of 3 is fixed as 18 now. Okay, so answer is 55. Good question. This is a good question, right? So, I hope you got this. Okay, now move to next question. Again, a very good question we'll solve. Now, question here is if LCM of 1 to 78 is n. Okay, 1 to 78 means all the numbers from 1 to 78, right? So I should write like this basically. I should write like LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 78 is equal to n. Okay, then what is the LCM of 1 to 82, right, in terms of n? In terms of n, right? Now again a super question it is, right? If you get this logic, very easy, but otherwise a difficult question. Okay, so get the logic now. I know that LCM takes the highest power of the given prime basis, right? Now understand this funda. If the LCM of 1, 2 till 78 is n, okay, is n, right? That means in this n, what is contained? All the highest power of the prime basis are contained in n. All the highest power of prime bases are contained in n. Fine. So all the highest power of the prime bases are contained in n. Now let's go one by one, right? Right now get this concept. Now after that you can do very fast, right? You can do it mentally only without using pen also. Okay. But this is concept slowly. Now what is the LCM of? What is the LCM of if I write 1, 2, 3 till 79? What is the LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 79? Okay. So now if till 78 it is n, right? Now next number is 79. What is the next number? What is the next number? 79, right? Is 79 a prime number? First thing, right? So yes, 79 is a prime number. 79 is a prime number, right? So that means 79 wouldn't have come in the LCM of 1 to 78, that is n. So right now n doesn't contain, right? N doesn't contain a 79, cross mark, right? N doesn't contain a 79 till now. Fine. That means 79 is a new number for me. So that new number will directly get multiplied, right? What is an LCM now? 79 into n, right? Get this concept. Wait, I'll tell you. Focus. Now, let's say, for take a small number, right? What is LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4? So LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? 4 and 3 LCM is 12. 2 is already contained in 12, right? 2 is already contained in 12. So what is the LCM? 12 only, right? Now if I ask what is the LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So I know that LCM of 1 to 4 is already 12, right? Already 12, given here 12, right? Now 5 is a new number for me, and that 5 has never appeared earlier, right? So it's like what I'm asking is what is the LCM of 12 and 5? Right, because already till 1 to 4, what is the LCM? 12. 12 and 5 is a new number, right? So what is the LCM of 12 and 5? 60. That means what you should do? 12 into 5. Simply 60. Right? So same thing here. It's like 12 and 5 are co-prime. 12 and 5 have nothing in common, right? Same way here. LCM of 1 till 78 is given as n, right? And n doesn't contain 79, right? N doesn't contain a 79. See, n is a huge number. N is a huge number, right? Because n contains so many powers of the prime basis, right? Like 2 raised to something, into 3 raised to something, into 5 raised to something, into 7 raised to something, into 11 raised to something, right? Till 78. So n is a huge number. That number we can't guess, right? But what we can do is, okay, n doesn't contain a 79, right? That means n and 79 are co-prime. So what is the LCM of 1 and n and 79? So LCM of n and 79, if two numbers are co-prime, they have nothing in common. Their LCM is what? Their multiplication. So LCM of n and 79 is what? 79 into n. Correct? Right. Now move. Next step, right? Just concentrate, get this logic. You can solve next questions very fastly, right? Next step. Now what is the LCM of 1 to 80? What is the LCM of 1 to 80? Right, I'm moving one by one. I have to move till 82, right? Move till 82. Okay, I'm moving one by one. Fine. What is the LCM of 1 to 82? So LCM of 1, 2, 3. I want till 82. So till now, in this step, we'll take till 80, right? Till 80. So till 79 and 80. What is the LCM, right? Now I know that LCM of 1 to 79 is a 79n. Is 79n, right? What is the LCM of 79n and 80? Now what is 80 here? See, 80 in terms of prime basis what? 2 raised to 4 into 5, right? 2 raised to 4 into 5, right? Does anything new number appears here? Answer is no, right? Because when you write the LCM of 1 to 78 as n, right, it already contained a 16. That is, in 1 to 78, highest power of 2 is 4, right? Highest power of 2 is 4. So if you want to write like this, okay, let me write here. If you want to write like this, okay, if you want to write like this, LCM of 1 to 78. If you want to write n in, what is the value of n in terms of powers, right? So it should be like 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube, right, into 5 square. This will be the LCM, right? This will be the LCM, right? It will go like this, into 11, into 13. Now, why it is going like this? Why I can be sure that LCM of 1 to 78 is nothing but 2 raised to 4? Because highest power of 2 occurring till 78, so not 2 raised to 4, I'm really sorry here. LCM is nothing but 2 raised to 6, right? Why 2 raised to 6? Because highest power of 2 till 1 to 78 is available is 64. That is 2 raised to 6, right? So because the 64 occurs here, so that means highest power of 2 available is 2 raised to 6 from 1 to 78. Okay. What is highest power of 3 available from 1 to 78? So highest power of 3 is only till 3 cube, 27. Right? That is 27. Because what is 3 raised to 4? 81. Okay. So 81 has not occurred till now. So it is still 3 cube now. Right? What is highest power of 5 till 1 to 78? 5 square only. So what is the next number? 5 cube. 5 cube will come in 125. Right? Not here in 1 to 78. What is highest power? Highest power 7 available? 49. That is 7 square. Right? What is the highest power of 11? Only 1. Because 11 square is 121. There's no 121 here, right? So when do you take the LCM? So LCM always takes the highest power of the given prime basis. So highest power available for 2 is 6 in 1 to 78. For 3, it is 3 cube. For 5, it is 5 square, like that, right? So already we need to find what is the LCM of 79 and 80. So LCM of 79 and 80 will be what? So 80 is what? 2 raised to 5. So already 2 raised to 4 is contained in this n. 2 raised to 4 is already contained here. So nothing new to be multiplied here, right? Already 5 is also contained in this n, right? So again, nothing new to be multiplied here, right? So LCM remains same. So LCM of 79n and 80 is 79n only. It's 79n only, right? Nothing, no new number appears here, right? Very important concept, right? Now, one more step you understand, and then you will be very sure now. One more step. What is the LCM of 1 to? Now we're moving 1 to 1 step, right? What is the LCM of 1 to 81? Okay, so now I know that LCM of 1 to 80 is 79n. Okay, and I need to find now what is the LCM of 79n and 81. What is the LCM of 79n and 81? Now see, what is 81? So 81 is nothing but 3 raised to 4. Okay, so if 81 is 3 raised to 4 now, basically what I'm trying to find is what is the LCM of 79n and 81. So 79n, see, 79n contains highest power of 3 as 3 cube. 79 contains highest power of 3 as 3 cube, that is 3 raised to 3. And 81 contains highest power of 3 as what? 4. So LCM takes the highest power of the given prime basis, right? That means since already in 79n, already 1 3 is there, right? Already 3 cube is there. 3 cube is there, right? So now in 81, 1 extra 3, because now till after 81, if you take the LCM from 1 to 81, the highest power of 3 should be 4. Right, so 1 extra 3 needs to be multiplied because n contains a 3 cube, and this 3 cube and this 3 will make highest power of 3 as what? 3 raised to 4 from 81 onwards, right? You just logically think, what is the LCM of 1 to 81? What should be the highest power of 3? Highest power of 3 from LCM of 1 to 81. So highest power of 3 should be 4 because 3 raised to 4 is available now, right? What is the LCM from 1 to 78? In LCM from 1 to 78, what is the highest power of 3? 3 cube only, because 3 raised to 4 doesn't occur here, right? So logic here is LCM of 1 to 80 is 79n, that we know. Now 81, so I have to take LCM of, I have to take what? I have to take LCM of now 79n and 81. 79n contains 3 cube. Okay, so 79n contains 3 cube. N contains 3 cube. What is 81? 3 raised to 4. So when you take the LCM of these two terms, what is the LCM of these two terms? This should be 3 raised to 4. Right, LCM of 3 cube and 3 raised to 4 should be what? 3 raised to 4 only. LCM of 3 cube and 3 raised to 4 should be what? 3 raised to 4, because LCM takes the highest power of the given prime base. Okay, fine. That means a new 3 should be added here. Right, that means one more 3 should be multiplied. So LCM of 79n and 81, 79n, and now because of 81, one more 3 should be multiplied here. So what is the LCM now? Is 79 into 3, that is 237n. Absolutely super question and super concept, right? Super concept, not less than super, right? Just get this logic. Okay, now you can sense it now. Okay, what is the LCM of 1 to 82 now? What is the LCM of 1 to 82? Because you have to find what is the LCM till 1 to 82, right? So now 1 to 81, what is the LCM? 237n, right? Now 82 is LCM of 237n and 82. What is 82? 2 into 41, right? So now you can sense that no new number is multiplied here. Already that 41 would have occurred in LCM of 1 to 78 is already n. That 41 will already be contained here, right? And 2 is also contained here, right? So from LCM from 1 to 82, nothing new, right? Therefore LCM of 1 to 82. Therefore LCM of 1 to 82 should be equal to 237n. This should be the answer. This should be the answer, right? An absolutely super question. Okay, just try and understand this concept, right? Next we'll discuss this. If you have any doubt, ping me in doubt forum. Okay, now one more question we'll do of this kind, because a very good question. One more question we'll do. Okay, fine. Now next question is, if LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 120 is given as n, what is the LCM of, from 1 to 129? LCM of 1, 2, 3 till 129. What is the LCM? Now again a very good question, right? Now this will also a little bit fastly, right? But what are the key points from the last question that we can discuss once, right? What are the key points? So from last question, key points are basically in this type of question, when you have to understand, when you have to pay attention, when a new prime number comes, and second thing, when any power of prime base comes, right? When any power of prime base comes, okay, directly. So whenever this kind of cases are there, we have to pay attention there, right? For example, now we'll do it fastly. Understand, I know that LCM of 1 to 120 is given as n. So LCM of 1 to 120 is given as n. Okay, so what is the LCM of 1 to 121 now? What is the LCM of 1 to 121? Fast, just think fast. 1 to 121, right? So you can see 1 to 120 LCM is n. So I want the LCM of n and 121. What is 121? 11 square, right? Second key point here. Any power of prime base comes, right? Prime base 11 square comes at first time. This has occurred first time here, because till 1 to 120, highest power of 11 occurring was 1 only, right? Highest power of 11 in LCM, right? Don't connect it to factorial. We have to calculating what is 120, what is the highest power of 11 in 120 factorial. This is not LCM. LCM means always, whenever I've always to take the highest power of the given prime bases, right? So LCM of 1 to 120, again let me write this statement. LCM of 1 to 120, if I want to write few numbers here, will be getting, what is the highest power of 2 available? So till 2 raised to 664. So highest power of 2 is 2 raised to 6. What is for 3? 3 is to 4, 81. Right, highest power of 3 is 81. What is for 5? 5 is square till now. What is for 7? 7 is square till now. Right, what is for 9? Sorry, 11? 11. Only 11, right? Because 1 to 20 contains the highest power of 11 as till now 1 only, right? For LCM, it is 1 only, right? So for 121 and 11 is square. So a new prime base comes, right? So 1 to 120 in N, only 1 11 is contained, right? One more 11 is multiplied here, right? So what should be 1? I should also multiply 11. So N into 11, that is 11N, right? So LCM of 1 to 121 is what? 11N. Okay. What is LCM of 1 to 122? What is LCM of 1 to 122? Now what is 122? 2 into 61. So nothing new here, right? 61 would have already occurred in N. 2 also already occurred in N, right? So 122 won't make any impact to the LCM, right? LCM remains as 11N. 122 doesn't make any impact. 123. What is 123? 41 into 3, right? 41 into 3. So 41 again would have appeared in 1 to 120 LCM, that is N. So 41 would be, N would already contain 41, and 3 also contains N, and N also contains 3, right? So 123 also no impact. Now what is 124? LCM of 1 to 124. LCM of 1 to 124. What is 124? It is 4 into 31. 4 into 31, right? So already N contains a 31. Already N contains 4, right? Highest power of N available for 2 is 2 raised to 6, right? So already N contains 4, that is 2 square. So again, no change with 124. What is LCM of 1 to 125? Now again, this is the second key point. Second key point, right? That whenever any new prime, any power of prime base occurs, whenever any power of prime base occurs, right? So in this case, it is what? LCM of 1 to 125. So I know that LCM of 1 to 124 is what? It is 11N. What is 125? 5 cube. So till 124, highest power of 5 was what? In LCM, 5 is square. So now one more 5 should be multiplied here, right? It should be 11N into 5. Right, again a super concept. LCM of 1 to 126. Again, what is 126? 2 into 63. What is 63? 7 into 9. So 7, 9, 2, all are, N already contains all the 7, 9 and 2. Right, that is breakup of 126. So again, 126 won't make any impact. Now LCM of 1 to 127. LCM of 1 to 127. So I know that till 126, what is LCM? Till 126, LCM is what? 11 into 5, that is 55N. So 55N and 127. These two will be co-prime because 127 is what? Is a prime number, right? 127 is a prime number. Okay. So 127 is a prime number. So again, it will make impact here. So this is a prime number. Since this is a prime number, this is the first key point. Whenever a new prime number occurs here, that means 127 has never appeared before. So when you take the LCM of all this combined, so it would be what? 55N into 127. 55N and 127 are co-prime to each other because they have nothing in common. Because 127 is what? Is a prime number. So LCM of two co-prime numbers is what? Always their multiplication. Okay. What is LCM of 1 to 128 now? So 1 to 128. So again, what is 128? It is 2 raised to 7. 2 raised to 7, right? See the second key point here. Any power of prime base, right? It is 2 raised to 7. So 2 raised to 7 means one more 2 occurs because till now, highest power of 2 here is available is 2 raised to 6, right? So highest power of 2 available here is what? 2 raised to 6. So N contains a 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6, right? Highest power of 2 is 2 raised to 6. So now it is 2 raised to 7. So that means one more 2 needs to be multiplied here. Okay. And now finally, what is the LCM from 1 to 129? So what is 129 again? 129 is what? 3 into 43. So already, right? N contains a 43. N contains a 3. So nothing new here, right? So LCM remains same. So what is the final answer? Final answer is 55N into 127 into 2. This is the answer, right? Very good question. Very good question. I'm repeating it, right? Very good concept in this video, right? Just watch this video 2-3 times and your whole mind will open about LCM, finding LCM and all. Okay. So do watch for next video for the next questions. Okay. Thank you.